Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Thursday afternoon here. So I'm preparing uh, food for our dinner tonight, early dinner actually. So this is our authentic and traditional dish that I'm going to cook. We call this paella. So this is all the ingredients. I have crabs right there back there. I have shrimp, squid, clams, and mussels, and scallops, and I have clams with shell, and I have baby clams without shell, and also I have green peas right here in the back that I won't show on the camera because I don't have space. So I have that chorizo right there. That is from Italy. Spain actually. Not Italy, from Spain. I have this 1 can of tomatoes, like 28 ounces. And the rice, I'm not going to use all that rice, only like 3 pounds or 2 pounds maybe. I have to make sure 5 cups for 12 to 15 people on this dish. So I have paprika, salt, garlic, and a lot of onions, and chicken powder. You can use that too, it's optional, it's up to you. And I have turmeric also. Okay, so let's cook the rice first. So you can cook the rice, by the way, on a rice cooker. My paella, I cook my rice separate. I put on the rice cooker. Then while I'm waiting the rice, I'm cooking all those ingredients. Okay, let's get started. Right, first we need to put 1/4 cup of oil. I forgot to mention I have also a chicken thigh and also bell peppers. I just forgot to pull out from the fridge. Okay, I use olive oil on that. So let's go ahead and drop the garlic. Just really light brown. Just put your heat to medium high. Ow, splashing all over me. Ouch. Then the onions. Just wait until also get light brown. Now let's add the sausage. I slice the sausage really tiny. And now let's add the chicken. Let's cook the chicken like 8 to 10 minutes. Let's cover up for a while and lower yung heat to medium low. To medium. Now let's add the tomato. I use this kind of tomato, contadina. I like this one because it's not that really sour. Okay, let's add all the spice. Oops. Oh, my tummy is complaining. Not too much turmeric, just like 1/8 teaspoon. Now let's simmer this for 5 minutes to medium low. That way your sauce will not stick in the bottom. Okay, let's cover it up and simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, now let's add the crabs. And let's add also the squid. Oh, the squid is hidden. This is deep. There's still a lot inside. Huh? Let's simmer this for 3 minutes and we'll add the rest. Okay, let's cover it up for 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's add the rest of the seafoods. All this. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. This is for 12 to 15 people eating tonight. And also this. The scallop, I add the scallop like after 3-4 minutes in this one, because the scallop is right away if you put it early. Scallop is really pricey. The 1 pound is like 17 bucks. Alright. Let's simmer this like 5 minutes in a medium low to avoid not to get stick on the pan, bottom pan. Alright, let's cover that up. Now let's add the scallop. And before you add the rice, you need to make sure you adjust your sodium You can put more chicken powder or whatever. Okay. Okay, let's cook that another 3 minutes. So let's add the peppers and the peas. Then just cook this one like 2 minutes and we'll add the rice. This is our highlight dish on Christmas Eve. Alright, let's add the rice at a time. Ow, it's hot. Ouch. Put your heat on the very low. If you cook rice, you can put turmeric in it, or you can put also, instead of water, you can put stock. Like when you cook your rice in rice cooker. Yeah, looks like my paella is ready. It's dangerous. The shell is broken. Alright. Alright guys, here is my paella. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okie dokie, see ya, Merry Christmas.